Hi, this is Gavin Ailes for Orderbird. I don't normally make videos like this, but something has changed at YouTube and I just wanted to tell everyone about it. In the past, you couldn't change a shorts thumbnail, but now you can. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, you cannot change a shorts thumbnail from the YouTube Studio app. You can only do it from the YouTube mobile app. Yes, that's very weird, but that's how it is for now. If you have an Android phone, you probably already have the YouTube mobile app, but you might need to enable it. For Apple users, you'll have to go to the App Store and download it. You may need to choose a Google account, and if so, make sure you pick the one where you have your channel. Once there, click on your profile image in the bottom right-hand corner. This will take you to your personalized page, but from there you still need to click on Your Videos. This shows all your videos, but you might want to click on the Shorts menu item to just see your Shorts videos. Find the video you want to change the thumbnail for, and then click on the three little dots to bring up an options menu. Choose Edit. Now you can click on the pencil icon to change the thumbnail. YouTube brings up your whole video and you can move the slider at the bottom to choose the thumbnail right for you. You can even add a text title to your thumbnail image and move it to the bottom of the screen by hitting the return key a few times. You can also change the style of the thumbnail image. What I actually recommend doing is creating a thumbnail for the video and placing it in the first second or two. You can then choose this for your thumbnail. Then click on the checkbox in the top right to save the image, and finally the Save button to save your changes. And there you have it. You've changed your Shorts thumbnail.